the difference between verb and then verb. If your textbook showed verb and verb, please watch this video. Okay, so verb is when you see the dictionary form of verbs, the ending is sound, like kau means buy, and then yomu. So you can see sound here. Yomu means read. Okay, and then verb is the ending is sound. Okay, for example, taberu. So you can see hiragana ru here means eat, and then miru means see, look. Yes, so again you can see hiragana ru here, and then the ending is ru. Yes, so these are verb. These, difference between verb and then verb are very important when you make te form. Okay, but be careful. There are several verbs. It looks like verb, but not. Okay, the first one is irregular verbs. Only 2 verbs are in irregular category, so please remember. Kuru means come, and then you can see ru here, but they are not. This is not verb. And then suru, again, you can see hiragana ru, but it means do, but this is not verb. This is irregular verbs. And also, some verb has hiragana ru here. Yes, because sound, of course, hiragana ru has sound as well. So some verbs, the ending is ru, but they are not verb. It's very confusing, I know. So you need to memorize these verbs. So for example, there are several, but I can show you only 2 examples here. Yes, can you see? So toru means take, and then this is verb, not verb. Okay, wakaru means understand, and then again it's but this verb is verb, not verb. Okay, we use these rules when we make te form. Okay, so see you soon.